Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Alexa's Garden. I am happy to see you again. In this video, sweet alyssum growing and care. Which sweet alyssum is better? Companion plants for Lobularia. Sweet alyssum, Lobularia maritima, is a very popular plant for gardeners. It is usually an annual. Its inflorescences have very bright, beautiful, fluffy flowers and a honey aroma. This is an unforgettable scent for bees, who will always have a job in your garden if you plant sweet alyssum. Sweet alyssum growing. Alyssum is very easy to grow from seed. It is an unpretentious plant that blooms for a long time. Flowering begins in early spring and continues until late fall. I noticed that the flowered alyssum can be even until the first frost. The flowers of alyssum are very small. They are located along the entire length of the peduncle. The stem of the plant grows and new flowers are formed on it, and on those flowers that have finished blooming, seeds are formed. The seeds of alyssum are also very small, but the plant can reproduce itself by self-seeding. Where alyssum grew last year, you will find small new plants. These can be transplanted to a new place in the garden. Which sweet alyssum is better? Alyssum can have different heights and different flower colors. The smallest alyssum plant is the sweet alyssum Wonderland Benary. Alyssum Lobularia Wonderland is a graceful, compact plant with small 1 inch to 3 cm flowers that densely cover a bush about 3 to 5 inches or 8 to 10 cm tall. The bush is 6 inches or 15 cm wide. The plant is low-growing and well-branched. This species of alyssum blooms quickly and loosely. A great plant for planting in a rock garden, in a flower bed, along garden paths. Alyssum plants of this series have several colors of flowers: blue, deep purple, deep rose, lavender, pink, white. Sweet alyssum snow crystals, flare crystal, and sweet alyssum Ester bonnet Pan-American have the largest bush. For example, sweet alyssum snow crystal Pan-American is an annual and the plant is 15 to 25 centimeters or 6 to 10 inches tall. Sweet alyssum clear crystal Pan-American is also 15 to 25 centimeters or 6 to 10 inches tall. But the plants of this series have several colors of flower. it is not only white color, but also lavender shades, purple shades. Time to sow alyssum. The best time to sow sweet alyssum is March-August, late July for potted blooms from September. Alyssum can be grown outdoors. There are no frosts from April onwards. Alyssum care. Alyssum prefers cool air. Night temperatures are 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 13 degrees Celsius, and daytime temperature are higher, be about 5 degrees. Temperature above 16 degrees Celsius will promote pollen of shoots. Also, Lobularia cannot tolerate temperature below -2 degrees Celsius. Fertilize. Alyssum does not require much fertilizer. Fertilize every second watering with a well-balanced fertilizer containing 115 to 100 ppm nitrogen. 1 liter of fertilizer solution contains 115 to 200 milligrams of nitrogen. Companions for alyssum. I like combinations of alyssum and a variety of petunias. Very interesting can look Lobularia next to alyssum. Also, sweet alyssum can decorate the bed together with a geratum and verbena. It looks great. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.